3, 2, 1.
Two Boston department stores merged to form what Cincinnati-based department store? The answer is C, Macy's. The heightened usage of what drug is most likely due, at least in some part, to the rising popularity of rave culture? The answer is D, ecstasy. Who helped join the North India Company in a joint attack on Portuguese and German ships? The answer is B, Dutch. Fission is a type of radioactivity in which large nuclei spontaneously break apart into what? The answer is B, smaller nuclei. Which word, derived from the Latin for wild, describes an untamed or uncultivated animal? The answer is B, feral. What is made of both undulations and color bands? The answer is A, ogives. How did the protagonist's wife die? The answer is A, murdered by Morgan and Garcetti. What could you use to thaw something quickly? The answer is A, water vapor. What is the name of frozen carbon dioxide? The answer is A, dry ice. In what type of building were silken maps found? The answer is C, tomb. Where are Neptune's light spots thought to occur? The answer is A, troposphere. What is Paul McCartney's middle name? The answer is C, Paul. What is the name of the weapon originating in South America that has a length of hide with a stone ball at each end? The answer is B, bolas. What band released Bittersweet Symphony on 16 June 1997 as the first single from their third album Urban Hymns? The answer is B, The Verve. In the lensmaker's equation, diverging lenses and virtual images are associated with what kinds of numbers? The answer is C, negative numbers. With which two other cities is London named one of the most expensive in the world? The answer is D, Tokyo and Moscow. How are the rooms of the Belgian suites linked? The answer is C, by narrow corridors. Which plateau is the left part of Warsaw on? The answer is C, Moraine. What indicates the rate of medical care? The answer is C, poverty. What were the third turbo controllers Nintendo made for the NES? The answer is D, NES Max. Who contests the existence of the Armenian genocide? The answer is B, Turkish authorities. What force is part of the modern sea system? The answer is C, kilogram force. Who does Gabrielle marry in the 2000 movie The Patriot? The answer is D, Ann Howard. Was the president who appointed Thomas C. Mann a Democrat or a Republican? The answer is C, Democrat. How long ago was the late Jurassic period? The answer is B, about 160 million years ago. An expression that means to leave things as they are when there is no immediate problem is let sleeping dogs what? The answer is D, lie. Which film awards are presented by the Hollywood Foreign Press Association? The answer is C, Golden Globes. What was a paper that did not receive any FBI files? The answer is A, the Harvard Crimson. What kind of clothing is a toque? The answer is B, hat. Joe Strummer was the lead singer of which punk band from 1976–1986? The answer is B, The Clash. When did the quail egg business fail to become an economic-driven industry? The answer is A, 1940. What must two lodges be in order to intervisit? The answer is C, amity. What Christmas ballet was written by Pyotr T. Tchaikovsky? The answer is C, The Nutcracker. If a person looked at their head in a mirror and moved toward it, what would happen? The answer is A, the head would start to grow. What legendary Hollywood actress starred in the 1959 movie Suddenly last summer? The answer is A, Katharine Hepburn. How many games did the player known as The Process play in his first season for the Philadelphia 76ers? The answer is A, 31 games. Approximately how many pencils are sold annually in the USA? The answer is B, 2 billion. What did John do to Melinda Moores? The answer is D, he healed her of her brain tumor. As a result of a wrestling injury, what does Kaufman have to wear? The answer is B, a neck brace. What do pigments do with the color green? The answer is C, reflect. When is the title of Rex Teutonicum first used? The answer is B, the late 11th century. What is the three-word collective name given to the first 10 amendments to the United States Constitution drafted in 1789? The answer is C, Bill of Rights. In which country did the Velvet Revolution of November 1989 take place? The answer is B, Czechoslovakia. What does the Naval Dockyard Royal Museum hold a permanent collection of? The answer is B, Bermuda notes and coins. Layla Williams was the first female presenter of which children's TV series? The answer is A, Blue Peter. What will not power the Indian-made ship? The answer is D, 4 gas turbine engines. Who broke away from the Société Anthropologie de Paris? The answer is B, Paul Broca. Which of these occurs when the North Pole is tilted toward the Sun and the United States has the most daylight hours of the year? The answer is A, summer solstice. As of 2008, geothermal power development was underway in less than how many countries? The answer is A, 40. Emet is a small unincorporated community where what Oklahoma Hall of Fame inductee was born?